Okay, you guys, I didn't remember to mention the amount of jerk seasoning I was putting into it, jerk seasoning. But keep it in mind, the Grace jerk seasoning is very salty, so you don't need to put a whole lot of it. Okay, I just put a little bit to have that nice jerky flavor. What I'm gonna do with my chicken is I'm gonna fry it and cook it down home style. Okay, but I like to have that nice Jamaican jerk flavor. So right now you're looking at some the Grace browning. I put a little bit on it, not too much, and I use the Easy Spice seasoning. I use 1 pack of this one because I'm looking about 5 pound of chicken. Okay, 5 pound of mixed parts. So in Jamaica we say mixed parts. All right. Because all pieces of the chicken are cut up, right? So it's 1 pack of this one, and I use a little bit of black pepper, Easy Spice black pepper, and the Easy Spice seasoning is also salty, so I don't use any salt whatsoever in my meat. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna cut up some garlic on it and some Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, and then I'm gonna get it frying. Stay tuned. So that's what it looked like right now. Okay, that is what it looked like right now frying. Okay guys, remember to make sure that your oil is hot before putting in your chicken. Okay, so I've just flipped over my chicken, guys, and this is what it looked like. Nice and golden brown. See that? And remember, I'm going to cook it down. Okay, so it's not French fried chicken, it's home style chicken, Jamaican home style chicken. Okay, alright, I'm going to get these guys finished up and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay,